So now let me show you how to set this up so you're ready to do sifting. We still have the lid underneath the box. We're going to take the screen and it's going to go a long ways with the box. You're going to set that down inside. And it's designed so that the sides come up to the sides, on the sides of the box. And the bottom pretty much covers the bottom. So you want them to come up on each side. Now, here's where the tabs were. We cut those out. This is where your crossbars go. They just fit snug right down inside there. And then you're going to take your framed screen, put the mat in it if it's come out in shipping. There's a little handle to help get it up out of the box. Sometimes during shipping it could be. So I tuck that down underneath. And then it fits very snugly in the top so that it's very, you can see there's no space around because we don't want anything. Our goal here is we're going to avoid getting anything green on this mat as much as possible because that we have to pick out. So it's designed to be really tight. And it'll loosen with age, of course, after you use it a time or two. It easily pops back up that way, but we like it to be nice and snug. For now, we'll use our binder clip and our toothpick a little later, and we've got our brush. So you're all ready to go there. That's the Sift kit all set up and ready to, you see it all fits really nicely inside the box, and that's set up ready to sift.